Making money online as a freelancer is a flexible and viable way to earn a living. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or have other skills, the internet has opened up numerous opportunities to connect with clients and generate income. Here's a detailed guide on how to make money online as a freelancer. Identify your skills and niche. Start by assessing your skills, strengths, and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Your skills will define your niche and the types of freelancing jobs you can pursue. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio to showcase your work. Use platforms like WordPress or Squarespace for this. Include a clear bio, samples of your work, testimonials, and contact information. Select a platform or marketplace. There are various online platforms where you can find freelance work. Some popular ones include Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Toptal, and Guru. Choose a platform that aligns with your skills and goals. Create a winning profile. On a chosen platform, create a detailed profile that highlights your skills, experience, and what you can offer to clients. A well-optimized profile increases your chances of being noticed by potential clients. Set your rates. Determine your pricing strategy. You can charge per hour, per project, or based on the value you provide. Research the rates in your niche to ensure you're competitive. Search for jobs. Start looking for freelance job listings on your chosen platform. Be proactive and apply for relevant jobs that match your skills and interests. Read job descriptions carefully and tailor your applications to demonstrate how you can meet the client's needs. Network and build client relationships. Building relationships with clients is crucial. Good communication and reliability will help you build a solid reputation. Satisfied clients are more likely to offer repeat work and refer you to others. Deliver high-quality work. Always strive to produce top-notch work. Your reputation as a freelancer depends on the quality of your deliverables. Meeting deadlines and exceeding client expectations are key to your success. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Consider setting up a separate bank account for your freelance income. Pay attention to taxes and consult the tax professional to ensure compliance. Market yourself. Use social media, content marketing, and email newsletters to promote your services and engage with potential clients. Networking in relevant online communities can also help you connect with potential clients. Expand your skill set. Stay updated with industry trends and technologies. Continuous learning and skill development can make you more marketable and open up new opportunities. Protect yourself legally. Consider using contracts for your freelance projects to protect your rights and ensure clear terms with clients. Consult a legal expert if necessary. Scale your business. As your freelance career progresses, you may want to consider hiring additional freelancers or forming an agency to handle more significant projects. Seek feedback and learn from mistakes. Request feedback from clients to improve your services. Learn from your mistakes and constantly strive for self-improvement. Be patient and persistent. Success as a freelancer often takes time. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or rejections. Be persistent and adapt to changes in the market. Remember that freelancing offers flexibility, but it also requires discipline and self-motivation. With the right approach and dedication, you can build a successful online freelancing career and make a sustainable income.